Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss sulfonamide drugs briefly as I will deliver a summarized lecture of sulfonamides. Sulfonamides initially discovered by a scientist. He discovered a dye which is effective against streptococcal infection, and he used that dye as antibacterial, and that antibacterial dye, when hydrolyzed inside the body, it is converted into sulfanilamide, which is effective against streptococcal infection. Sulfonamide were discovered in 1932. Its clinical usage was discovered in 1935. First compound found to be effective antibacterial agents in safe dose ranges is sulfanilamide or sulfonamide. Chemically, it is a molecule containing a sulfon-amido-sulfanilamide functional group attached to an aniline. Structurally related to para-amino-benzoic acid, this group is also present in other non-antibacterial compounds like sulfone, ureas, benzothiazide, furosemide, acetazolamide. Mechanism of action of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide molecular structure is similar to para-amino-benzoic acid, which is needed by bacterial organisms as a substrate of the enzyme dihydrotereoid synthase for the synthesis of terahydrofolic acid. Folic acid synthesized from para-amino-benzoic acid, pyridine and glutamate. So all sulfonamides are analog of para-amino-benzoic acid, and all sulfur drugs are bacteriostatic. So sulfonamide drugs act on pyridine synthetase and dihydrotereoic acid, and is converted into dihydrofolic acid, which is ultimately converted into tetrahydrofolic acid. So when you apply sulfonamide drugs, when you administer sulfonamide drugs, pyridine synthetase enzyme is blocked, and further synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid doesn't occur. So that first step is very much crucial, which is controlled by sulfonamide drug. Para-amino-benzoic acid is converted into dihydrofolic acid, and that step is blocked by sulfamethoxazole drug. And dihydrofolic acid, if it has been synthesized, it is not converted into tetrahydrofolic acid because trimethoprim, a drug which blocks the synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid from dihydrofolic acid. SAR of sulfonamide, you can see there are three structures: para-amino group, aromatic ring, sulfanilamide group, and N1 substitution group, where you can from that R group you can bring different kind of functional group to make different kind of medicines. Other than sulfonamide antibacterial drugs, you can synthesize diuretics, you can see diabetic drug from sulfonamide drug. The amino and sulfonyl group on the benzene ring are essential. Amino group and aromatic ring are essential and should be in 1,4 position. Sulfonyl group is present at 4th position. Sulfanilamide group is present at 1st position, and amino group is present at 4th position. Replacement of aromatic ring, that ring, by other ring system, or the introduction of additional substituent. If you bring additional substituent on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 position, it effectively decreases or it abolishes the activity of the sulfonamide. Exchange of the sulfonamide group by carbamide or acetamide group reduces the activity. If you replaces that sulfonamide group with acetamide group, that activity of the drug will be decreased. Substitution of aromatic heterocyclic nuclei at N1 yields highly potent compounds. If you bring different kind of heterocyclic atoms at N1 substitution of sulfonamide, that effectivity or activity or potency of the compound will be increased. N1 disubstitution in general leads to inactive. If both hydrogen will be replaced by different substituent, the activity of the drug will be decreased and drug become inactive. This is the classification according to the duration of action. Orally absorbable agents short acting 6 to 9 hours, sulfadiazine, sulfacytine, sulfamethizole, sulfamethoxazole, intermediate acting 10 to 12 hours, sulfamethoxazole, sulfamoxole, long acting 7 days, sulfadoxine, sulfamethopyrazine. Orally non-absorbable agents include sulfasalazine, it includes salicylic acid, all-salazine, topical agents silver, sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide, mefenide. These drugs are topically used. There is another classification according to the therapeutic use of these sulfonamide drugs. Topically applied sulfonamides for eye infection, sulfacetamide is used 10%, 20% and 30% solution. For skin infection or burn patients, silver sulfadiazine or mefenide acetate is used. GIT infection, succinyl sulfathiazole, thilyl sulfathiazole, sulfabonidine can be used. For meningitis, sulfadiazine, sulfadimidine is used. For UTI infection, sulfasoxazole, sulfamethopyrazine can be used. For respiratory tract infection, sulfafenazine, cotrimoxazole is used for respiratory tract infection. For leprosy, dapsone or suloxone is used to treat leprosy. Drugs for bowel disinfection, sulfasalazine and thilyl sulfathiazole is used. For malarial patients, sulfadoxine plus pyrimethamine is used. Nocardiosis, sulfadiazine and sulfasoxazole is used for nocardiosis patient. As you can see, there is basic structure is sulfur drug and sulfur drug. There is R1 substitution and there are different substitution at R1 position. In this case, sulfanilamide or sulfamido drug contains pyridine. That is why this drug is called sulfapyridine. That drug contains diazine group at R1 position. That is called, in addition to sulfonamide linkage, there is also presence of diazine group, that is functional group, that is called sulfadiazine, that is called sulfamethoxazole. That linkage is sulfonamide or sulfa linkage, and that linkage is called methoxazole linkage. So that drug is called sulfamethoxazole. This drug is called sulfafurazole or sulfasoxazole because that drug contains furan linkage and 2-methyl group. That is why that linkage is called sulfonamide linkage or sulfa linkage, and at R1 position there is isoxazole group or furazole group. That is why this drug is called sulfafurazole or sulfa-isoxazole. That drug contains, in addition to sulfonamide or sulfa linkage, there is presence of a pyridine linkage at R1 position, and at a minor linkage at one position there is presence of salicylic acid with diazo group. That group is called azo group. So sulfasalazine, that drug is called. This is called sulfadimidine. In sulfadimidine you can see that is the sulfa linkage and azine linkage with presence of 2-methyl group, dimethyl azine. That linkage is called dimethyl-azine, and that is linked at R1 position of sulfur drug, and it forms a drug that is called sulfadimidine. Bacterial spectrum of sulfonamide drug, it is effective against Staphylococcus pneumonia, Staphylococcus pyogenes, Helicobacter, Influenzae, Helicobacter, Ducray, Nocardia, Actinomycin. General synthesis of sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are synthesized from benzene. Benzene, when it is nitrated against H2SO4 and nitric acid concentrated solution, it is converted into nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene under the influence of strong metal undergo reduction process, and that nitro group is reduced to aniline. Aniline undergo acetylation in the presence of acetic anhydride and acetic acid, and it is converted into acid aniline. Acid analyte on reaction with chlorosulfonic acid, one of the proton will be removed from the acid analyte at fourth position, and OH will be removed from chlorosulfonic acid, so water will be the byproduct. Ultimately, that 4-acid amidobenzene sulfonyl chloride will react with ammonia, and that Cl will be removed and proton will be removed from ammonia. HCl will be removed as a byproduct, and NH2 will get attached, and that linkage is called sulfonamide linkage, and that whole structure is called 4-acid amidobenzene sulfonamide. And ultimately, on reaction with water in acidic condition, that acetyl group will be removed as acetic acid, and proton will get attached of the water, and amino group will be formed, and that sulfonamide drug will be synthesized. Synthesis of sulfadiazine to aminodiazine when react with, because this is not pyridine, this is this is 2-aminodiazine, that is wrongly written. Okay, and when that 4-acid amidobenzene 1-sulfonyl chloride reacts with 2-aminodiazine, proton will be removed from 2-aminodiazine, and Cl will be removed from 4-acid amidobenzene 1-sulfonyl chloride, and HCl will be byproduct, and your new linkage will be formed, and on hydrolysis that linkage will be converted into sulfadiazine. To synthesize sulfasalazine, you need sulfapyridine, which is on the fourth side or R1 position. There is attachment of pyridine group and NH2 group, which is the first position. There is the diazotization will occur, and nitrogen, both of the hydrogen will be removed, and the 2 nitrogen will get attached. That is called diazobenzene, and diazonium salt, the whole structure is called, and ultimately on coupling with salicylic acid at meta position, your new structure will be formed, sulfasalazine. This is ortho, meta, para, meta, ortho. So meta position, there is attachment of salicylic acid group, and that drug is called sulfasalazine. Cotrimoxazole contains sulfamethoxazole, which is a sulfonamide, and it is attached with trimethoprim. They are cotrimoxazole is a drug, is a combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. It is a fixed dose combination that is used in 1:5 ratio. So sulfamethoxazole is used in major quantity. So 400 mg, if it is 4 mg of sulfamethoxazole is used, then 80 mg of trimethoprim is used. If 160 mg of trimethoprim is used, then you need to 5 times stronger than sulfamethoxazole. For 800 mg of sulfamethoxazole is used. That causes the sequential block of bacteria. It is a broad spectrum combination, bactericidal combination. Delays the development of bacterial resistance. Cotrimazine is also a combination of a sulfonamide and trimethoprim. It is also used in combination, but potency varies. If 400 mg of trimethoprim is used, then 5 times of sulfadiazine is used, 200 mg. That is trimethoprim drug. That is sulfadiazine linkage, the sulfadiazine drug, and when it is combined with this trimethoprim, it is used as a broad spectrum antibacterial drug. That is sulfadiazine, and that is trimethoprim. So sulfadiazine and trimethoprim, when they both are combined, trimethoprim is selective inhibitor of bacterial dihydrofolate reductase. Individually, they both are bacteriostatic. But in combination, they are bactericidal. Trimethoprim, how it is synthesized? That is 3,4,5-trimethoxybenzaldehyde. From benzaldehyde, it is converted into 3,4,5-trimethoxybenzyl alcohol. that is not benzaldehyde, that is benzyl alcohol. It is synthesized from benzaldehyde by hydrogenation of aldehydic linkage. On reaction with melanonitrile, CH2, either side if carboxylic group are present, that is called malonic acid, but as there are present of cyanonitrile group, that is called melanonitrile. From melanonitrile, methylene group will loses its two hydrogen and oxygen will be removed, because that oxygen will be removed with methylene, two hydrogen water will be formed, and ultimately hydrogen will get attached to the carbon of the melanonitrile, and nitrogen of the melanonitrile will be converted into amine. In the next step, last step, guanidine. Guanidine contains, as you know, the structure of urea contains NH2C, NH2 and double bond oxygen. That is called urea, but due to the presence of NH, that urea is converted into guanidine. Guanidine, when it is reacted with the complex structure, there is removal of ammonia. That nitrogen will be removed as ammonia. With that structure forms cyclization, and that double bond represents that carbon, there is presence of double bond, and that nitrogen is present at this position. That carbon is present at this position, and NH2 side. So the structure of trimethoprim, that guanidine is used for the cyclization of this complex structure. That cyclization will occur and your new drug will be formed, trimethoprim. Different drugs can be synthesized from sulfanilamide or sulfonamide. For example, you can synthesize glibenclamide from sulfonamide. That drug is used in diabetes. And you can also synthesize indisulam drug, that is used for arthritis patient, and emprinavir, that is antiviral drug, you can synthesize from sulfur drug, that is sulfonamide linkage, and that is also sulfonamide linkage. You can also synthesize COX-2 inhibitor valdecoxib from sulfonamide, that is sulfonamide, and that is the derivative of COX-2 inhibitor. Metalloprotease inhibitor can also be synthesized from sulfonamide drugs. Furosemide drug, as you can synthesize, you can see that is a sulfonamide linkage, and there is a presence of furan linkage, and that drug is used as a diuretic. Acetazolamide is carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. It also contains sulfonamide linkage, and that drug is used as carbonic anhydrase. Sulfathiazole, as you know, that drug is used as antibacterial drug. So you can synthesize different types of drugs for different therapeutic purposes from sulfanilamide. Sulfapyridine was shown to be effective against pneumonia in 1938. Sulfacetamide found highly successful use in fighting UTI infection starting in 1941. Succinyl sulfathiazole has been used against gastrointestinal tract infection since 1942. Sulfathiazole was used very effective during World War II to fight infection in soldiers with battle wounds. Sulfanilamide itself, which is extracted from a dye, that is called protosil, itself a potent antibiotic, never gained widespread use due to its greater human toxicity versus its various derivatives, which are more useful than its original structure. Acetazolamide, sold under the trade name Diamox, is a carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, as I already told you, that is used to treat glaucoma, epileptic seizures, hypertension. Acetazolamide is available as a generic drug and is also a diuretic. Sulfamethoxazole is an antibacterial sulfonamide available in tablet form. For oral administration, its rapid renal clearance permit high concentration of active sulfamethoxazole to occur in the UTI, urinary tract. That's why that drug is due to its rapid clearance is effective in UTI infection, making it especially applicable for the treatment of infection of this tract. Because due to the rapid renal clearance, its major dose is present in the urinary tract. Adverse effect produce mild to moderate nausea, vomiting, headache, and mental depression. Produce hypersensitivity reaction like rashes, fever, eosinophilia. Rarely cause Stevens-Johnson syndrome, erythema multiforme associated with lesion of skin and mucous membrane. Produce kernicterus bilirubin induced brain dysfunction in neonates because of the displacement of bilirubin from serum albumin binding site. Kernicterus that usually occur in neonates. Severe adverse effects include hepatitis, bone marrow depression, and crystalluria.